Good morning, all. Today in GK session, we'll study two chapters, chapter 5 and chapter 6. Okay, let's start with chapter 5, that is Paramveer Chakra stories. In this chapter, we are going to remember the real heroes of our country. Living a very comfortable life, we often forget that this life doesn't come to us for free. There are some men in uniform giving their sweat and blood 24/7 for us to live that way. So, here are stories of such brave men who not only saved the lives of many with their gallantry but also showed us the true meaning of bravery. For these supreme acts of bravery, cold courage, and devotion to duty, they were also adorned with the Paramveer Chakra, the highest Indian gallantry award. Okay, let's see the bravery of our soldiers who get the Paramveer Chakra award. The first one is Ardashir Burjarji Tarapur. The Battle of Chavinda, fought under the command of Tarapur, is till the date one of the largest tank battles fought in world's history since the Battle of Kursk in the World War II. Despite being subjected to aircraft, Tarapur kept advancing deep inside the enemy territory on his Centurion tank. It was his impeccable leadership coupled with the extraordinary battery that fueled Indian soldiers to demolish approximately 60 enemy tanks while losing only 9 of their own. His blaze of glory came to an end when he and an intelligence officer standing at tank's head were enveloped by flames in an anti-tank assault. Next is Lance Nayak Albert Ika. Albert Ika was snake crawling in a swampy ground in spite of bullet injuries on his neck and arm. He had taken these hits while destroying several enemy bunkers on the eastern front of Gangasagar. His next target was silencing a medium machine gun. Firing coming from the second story of a railway signal building and which was guarded by 2 enemy soldiers. Not giving even an iota of a damn to his crippling injuries, he bivouacked the second one and secured the furtherance of the Indian army. While back downing on the ladder, his almost inactive body collapsed to the ground. He was dead. And the last one is Subedar Joginder Singh. Subedar Joginder Singh, outnumbered by 20-1 in perilous weather conditions, Subedar Joginder Singh's platoon of 30 soldiers repelled 2 waves of enemies, and despite being reduced to half, once again set themselves up. Lacking everything but spirit, Subedar Singh and his handful of men fixed bayonets on their rifles and wreaked on Chinese with their war cry everywhere in air. Jo bole so nihal sat Sri Akal, with obvious superiority and strength. The enemy finally managed to capture the nearly dead hero of the Indian army who took his last breath as a Chinese POW. So hope you understand the video. In this you have to know the general information about the heroes. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.